purchased this last week. Let me turn this fan. Hold on. I purchased a Target pallet, all new items. I paid $351 for it. And I know I peeked in some of the boxes already, and it's not really what I was hoping to get. You know, I was hoping to get like a lot more of the home decor stuff that I like from Target, which I think a lot of this is from the Bullseye's playground area of Target, and lots and lots and lots of duplicates. So I know that I'm going to be unboxing a lot of the same things, but I don't know what's in all these boxes yet, so I thought I would do a live video and we can go through it together. So this is the first box. We have wine glasses. So normally at Target these sell for $3. That's the price on there for 2. So I don't know how I'm going to sell them. Maybe get 4 for $3 possibly. So in this box is more wine glasses. So 12 wine glasses in here. So if I, you know, I'm going to try to sell these things for half of the retail, so that would be $3 for 4 wine glasses. I'm going to throw all my empty boxes over there. This is a box I've already opened up too, but I don't really know how many is in here. This is there's so many possibilities really. I mean, you can take the wine glasses and, you know, if somebody has like a Cricut machine where they can put, you know, things on them, all kinds of fun things. Okay, we have a 3-pack of baby mittens, and I have 12 of those in here. I think I might have more of these too, because some of the boxes are similar, so I'm probably going to sell those for $1 each. Okay. Gift them all to Maddie. Maddie, why do you need 12 wine glasses? I absolutely plan on donating a lot of this stuff. Okay. This is really cute. These normally sell for $3, little decorative, small little vases. Have the $3 sticker on there. I have 3 of these in this box, like this. And I've got 3 of these. This comes in a set of 3 for $3. Not bad. Those are cute. And I made $1 myself to death on this. $1 here, $1 there. But I got some more of these. Another whole case of these. And I don't think it's the last case of those. I'm thinking this could be another case as well. And it is. These would be great if someone's doing a wedding or something and they want to use these for decor. Very cute and new. I'll probably sell each set of these for $1. So they're normally $3. If you go into a Target, you're going to probably see, like when you first walk in, you see that section that has everything that's, you know, like $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. That's where a lot of this stuff comes from. So it's not going to be expensive stuff for sure, normally, that I know of, just from what I've seen so far. And I'm sure this is the same thing. Baby mittens. Another box of 12. Too bad they're not like all different patterns. They're all the same. That's okay. Somebody's going to be able to use them. And baby mittens. So that's 36 right there. Plus 24. Like I said, my husband and I have peeked in some of these. We just couldn't wait. As soon as he brought it home Tuesday, I started looking. Guess what? Wine glasses. Another box of wine glasses. So 12 more wine glasses. This is a box we peeked in. These are cute. I'm thinking for little girls, but I guess you could use them as a ornament. Little purses. Cute little purses. Had a cross tag on it somewhere. Oh, I saw $3 somewhere. Anyways, probably another dollar item there. And I have 8 pieces. Oh, there it is. No, it didn't tell the price on there. I don't know, but $1 a piece probably. These might be all the same thing, and I have no clue if anyone's going to need these. But these are all the same thing. A box of 4 tent stakes. Just the tent stakes. It is the season, so maybe somebody's needing some extras. Maybe they've lost theirs. Looks like I've got 16. Probably another $1 a piece. These normally sell for $5 at Target. They're little decorative stands. It's for the bathroom or something. I think there are maybe 8 of these in there. And I'm pretty sure I have another box of these. I could probably sell those for $2 a piece. Same thing, and I'm pretty sure I have another one of these. I've got 2 of these boxes. These have not been opened at all, so I have no clue. It says there's 12 inside. We'll see. Okay. I don't know about these. These are headbands. And I've got 24 just alive. So, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe sell the whole box or something to a flea market or something. Wine glasses. Okay, there's a lot of duplicates in here, so we'll see. Okay, this is a heavy box, and it was already open, and one fell out and broke. This is a serving board. These sell for $5. I actually like these. Do I deliver to California residents? I don't think it would be worth shipping any of this. $5. These are nice. I'm probably going to keep that. Keep some of the wine glasses. Got 3 like that. Some rectangle ones. These would make really good charcuterie board platters. I like these. So I have 6 rectangle ones and 4 round ones. I could probably get $2 a piece out of those. But I'm keeping one of each anyway. I already know what what this is, and I have 3 of these boxes. I don't know how many's in here, probably 100. Giorgio Beverly Hills Body Wash. So, I mean, it smells okay. I think it's supposed to be, is it Giorgio like a universal scent for everyone? Anyways, I would say I've got probably about 300 of those, so I might do those for like 3 for $1. Some of these boxes are pretty tore up. I have no clue what this is. This is an interesting purse. Not really my style. You never know. And looks like I have 5 of these. 5 of these purses. Okay. I'm in my garage and it's kind of hot. I got 13 boxes this size. I don't know if they're all the same thing. I kind of hold a lot, but I have a feeling it will. These are plant stands. Black and white. They're cute. They sell for $5 a piece. So I'm thinking $4 for a set. Like it's black and white. Or maybe $4 for 2 or $5 for 2. I don't know if I should open every box because I'm pretty sure they're going to all be the same. No, that's the same. We're just going to open up like every other box here. I think if I buy another pallet, it's going to be, this is the first one I bought, so I'm thinking the next one, I really want a box of just like returns. Same thing. I'm not going to open up the rest of those because I'm pretty sure they're all the same. I'm going to check the numbers on the side to see. Okay. This is pretty cute. possibilities with a little stool. I think that would not be broken. Anyways, these normally sell for $5. And there's 8 in here. Pretty sure I've got 2 more boxes of this. Wonder what this is. I'm betting we got another box of mittens. I'll probably keep, one box and throw them in baby shower gifts for the next couple of years. I think this one's broken. Huh?
That's what Internet did. You had any surprises?
Yes, I got some headbands with little flowers on the side.
Oh, you recording?
Oh, here. Thanks. They're headbands. Yeah, I'm recording. So now I got more of these headbands. There's 12, so I got 24 of these. Well, oh no, I got 3 boxes of these. I got 36 of these. Too bad they're all the same.
Oh, I broke it. Yeah. It was a little blue.
Well, I think I cut enough of them to throw it away.
I'll put it in the burn pile.
Okay. These are all the same.
I'm sorry, that's one.
Game buzzers. They take 2 AA batteries. They sell for $3 a piece, so I'll probably sell those for $1 a piece. Of course, all of the grandkids will have one. So, there are 4 in a box. Got 16,
You feel that?
18. Raise it up a little bit. I've got 18 that I'll probably sell 15 of them. I thought these were pretty cute. I don't know if they're all the same. Probably are. The pizza serving tray, they're $5. They sell for $5. But it makes it into a game. The pizza eating game. You put your pizza on there. Whenever you take your slice, it tells you what you have to do. How did you help someone today? Describe today in 3 words. Give a compliment to your neighbor. Hum a song for everyone to guess. Share the best thing about today. Tell your best joke. Eat your pizza crust first. Spin around 3 times. Anyways, those are kind of neat. These normally sell for 5. And there's 4 in a box. And I think they're all the same. Yes. So I've got 16 of those. These would be kind of neat to sell for a couple bucks. Let's see if these are more mittens. I'm so excited when we got this box off of the truck because it's heavy. Anyways, this is a box of 12 cookbooks. I think it's a cookbook. Easy and fun family recipes. April cooks. There's an alligator in my kitchen. Probably something Caroline would like. Sounds like it's. April. I had, I think, 24 of those cookbooks. I don't know what all those boxes because I was pretty sure that all those little plant stands.
No, they're not.
They're not? These?
Those are different. The one on your rack?
These right here?
No.
Oh, I already opened those.
Okay. Yeah, those all look the same thing.
This is it, and it's probably mittens. And it is. Too bad they're not all different styles. Colors. They're all exactly the same. And they're all like more boyish. There's not any colors. Anyways, that is it. So, not super excited about this palette. I think that I will probably get my money back, but it's going to take $1 here, $2 there to get it. But my next palette, I'm pretty sure I'm going to try something different. And instead of getting all new stuff, I want return stuff. So, anyways, there was my palette. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.